Yeah, amazing sweet. Oh my God! Wow, it's just fantastic.
At least we can say we have visited Nagano.
Yeah, we have been to Nagano finally.
I'm saying at
Officially,
least we can say we have visited Nagano as well.
it's our first time.
Me too.
Yeah.
I've been to other parts of Nagano, but not Nagano city.
I think this is the downtown of Nagano. It's a main street. The street is very beautiful.
But
And,
empty.
Yeah, but empty. I don't know. Maybe the people have been already to their offices,
Or they are afraid of
or maybe actually
Upcoming
there is a
typhoon.
typhoon approaching this region, this Nagano city. So maybe they're sitting in their homes for safety purpose. Yeah, oh my God, this is really an amazing
I
place.
think we can find more people there near the temple.
Near the temple. Yeah, I was actually reading its history. There is a town constructed around the temple, Zenkoji temple.
What is the name of that town?
I don't know. It should be Zenkoji town, maybe. We can see some prices. Ah. This is a shop of some sculpture. You can see some this is over there. There's some Japanese people
What
are
is it?
inside. I don't it's kind of a shop for maybe antique
Souvenirs?
pieces.
I think souvenirs.
Yeah, souvenirs from Nagano. Yeah, this is a restaurant actually. You can see some dummies over here. Actually, in Japan, they usually serve the same kind of food which they have presented the models over here, like the dummies. The similar kind of shape, the similar color, and it looks stunning. It attracts the audience actually, especially the hungry people. Yeah, there are also some Japanese school kids. You can see here over the street. I think maybe they are also approaching to that Zenkoji temple in Nagano. And this is a jewelry shop. This is ladies kind of stuff. A stone shop. Wow, it's amazing. Wow, but it's not good to enter because it's a ladies kind of stuff. So
Why not? Why not? You can buy some gifts for your family.
maybe. But,
Actually, I was looking for
yeah,
some gifts,
this
but,
this guy actually, somehow my friend actually, he is going to depart. Maybe after 5 months, he'll be leaving Japan. So
that's why I have to collect some gifts for my
yeah,
family.
so he has to buy actually some gift, some ladies kind of stuff. Maybe he is getting married. Maybe I'm not sure. So
Inshallah, I will be.
so he's on a mission of finding a bride for himself.
So I'm doing masters on Asian development and scholarship, and there is a requirement that I have to go for.
The signal is off, so we have to wait here. The signal is also closed, so when it is going to open, we will start our walking journey towards Zenkoji temple.
We have to go back to
So today you can see some Japanese people around it. They're also waiting for this traffic signal to get it open.
And one more thing, I tried to learn Japanese.
Yeah, you can see
It was
it's
bit,
open.
difficult for
So
me.
we are moving towards the temple now. Here is our temple. Finally, we have arrived Zenkoji temple, which is located in the heart of Nagano in Japan. So we will be sharing our visit to this very old temple. So keep watching and do subscribe our channel for more such videos, and don't forget to watch the video which we will be posting later for this beautiful temple. Stay tuned. Thank you. Sayonara.